This is News 8 Morning Extra.
Stores are open, right? I think some are. Yeah, early this morning. Thank you, Jenny. Just ahead, we're all familiar with Valentine's Day, but what about Galentine's Day? We'll explain more about what this is and ways it can improve your life. Okay, we all know, of course, February 14th is Valentine's Day. We've let you know repeatedly here on the show. But the 13th is also about celebrating with your friends. Dr. Udine Harry says Galentine's Day, it's not just for fun. There are health benefits to this. In fact, Dr. Harry is joining us this morning. It's so good to see you.
Good to be here. Thank you for having me.
So let's explain, first of all, what is Galentine's Day?
Well, Galentine's Day, we know Valentine's Day is a time to celebrate a significant other. Galentine's Day is really a time to say thank you for your girlfriends for really getting you through this year. It's a time to celebrate with them, let them know how much you appreciate them being in your lives, and just really just enjoying their company.
I like that idea. Now, you know, anytime I've had even a socially distanced walk with a friend, we're wearing our masks, but at the end, I literally almost break down in tears because how good it feels to just have those conversations. Talk about why this is so important, especially what we've gone through this past year.
It is so important because hanging out with your girlfriends has really a lot of health benefits, and you spoke about some of them. It helps to decrease your stress level, decrease your anxiety levels, decrease risk of depression. It also has physical health benefits because we know those things are tied together. It decreases our risk of blood pressure, high blood pressure, for example, twice as much. It actually has about twice the benefits of exercise. So you're combining two things there. You're walking with your girlfriend, which actually helps to do all of the things that we talk about. And as we get older, we get concerned about our memory and dementia. There's studies that also shows that over the long term, it's really a good relationship to have as well.
And, you know, of course, during times of this pandemic, we can't get together the way we have. I think so many friends miss that connection. Just let's go out for lunch or happy hour even, or whatever it is. And these days we have to make adjustments in how we hang out. So what are some suggestions? How do we even celebrate Galentine's Day?
Well, here's what I'm doing for Galentine's Day. You know, I'm Zooming with some of my friends, and what we've done, we've planned dinner, and we're going to cook dinner together and have conversations. We're going to talk about the first time that we met. We're going to talk about, we have already planned the wine that we're going to use with dinner. And we're just going to really just feel like we are together in that space. Another suggestion I might have is that prior to that, you know, send your friend a little gift that has value or meaning. Maybe like a snow globe of your first galcation time that you took. So it's just really reaching out and saying, hey, I'm here, let's celebrate together.
Oh, I love that you suggested snow globe. One of my good friends, Jane, made a snow globe of me and her at a Taylor Swift concert. And, you know, just going to a concert we miss, hanging out together we miss, and I keep it by my bed. It makes me happy. So these are inexpensive ideas, too, that we can all do and send to each other. I mean, even just a letter that you can write to your friends, I'm sure would go a long way. And let's talk about that, the importance of friendship even. I mean, you know, we're also stressed about our daily lives. You know, we have our family to worry about, but friends are a key part of all of this, right?
Friends are absolutely a key part, and friends help to keep us grounded and really helps to make our other relationships better. So it's making room for friends. It is an effort, especially now, but it's so important to really take that time to do that because we schedule everything else in. Let's schedule a time to do that. For example, my friends, we've not been able to get together. So on Sundays, we schedule the time where we're going to get together and we're going to just talk about how our lives are going. You call your friends up just to say, hi. I know we do a lot of our interactions on social media right now and we like photos, etc., and that's great. But there's nothing like hearing the voice of your friends that says, hey girl, how are you doing? That just immediately soothes the soul.
I know, I can't tell you how many times I've had a conversation with friends and it just, even that, how are you? Like it just feels great to know that somebody cares and wants to ask, how are you?
Yes.
More than a like, as you said, on a picture or something. So Dr. Harry, it's so good to see you this morning. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me.
And happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Isn't that nice? It's Galentine's Day, too. I think guys could do it, too.
Galentine's has a better ring. I got to admit.
It's hard to say.
Galentine's, yeah.